She wanna go beef with a bitch, and the next day she wanna go suck in a tip. Stop playing, bitch, at me. Mad at me, yeah, peep, move, tag D. Know your friends are the link and harass me. Been strong, where to make it, call me nasty.
This is Ivory, and I'm rushing. Per usual, I'm always fucking late. Always running on CP time. I'm rushing to my Valentine's Day shoot. And yeah, y'all just gonna come behind the scenes with me and watch me. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Y'all. This is nice. How did he know I wanted to do the white? Yeah. 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 Oh my god, it's so big in here. Yeah, this is perfect. This is definitely perfect. Hi guys, I'm at the venue. Yeah. I need you to go fill these up with water to about here. All right? You gotta wash your hands before you even touch this, because you have Doritos on your fingers. I'm gonna just fill these up, because that's leaving a residue on your fingers.
Yeah, you asked me to do something, right?
Okay, so do it. It's giving fake, yeah, fake wedding topper. This is supposed to float. I don't know why it's sinking right now. It didn't do that before. But yeah, these shits float. I don't know. Is that really, it's about to get to
come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's that I don't receive. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't pick me up when you make it. Try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. Why is this so far? You wanna get with me, stop.
So right now we're trying to change the color, and yeah, we had a little situation going on, trying to figure that shit out, because we're not photographers, but look, we tried to make do with what it do, okay?
All your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just let it alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it.
People them watching, I watching, but think I want people see what going on.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on it, these niggas no more.
Why would you do it to me like this?
I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, man. Now you want to shoot with the bed at the bottom, man. You know I like when you right at the top. Shoot shit, ain't it? Yo, I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the fofo. Inside Coco. Girl, I got a feeling I can inside my heart. Do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on it, these niggas no more.
Look, if you want to do something, do it. If you don't have the means to do what you want to do, find a way around it. This is how you do a photo shoot on a budget. You download Peerspace, you find an affordable spot. My spot was perfect. It was only $35 an hour. Get you a cute little cheap little outfit, okay? My lingerie set was probably like $20-something. And I just got that from Fashion Nova. Okay, then after that, find you a good camera. If you don't have a professional camera, you can take these photos with your iPhone. Just trust me. I know it sounds crazy. Just trust me. After that, find your favorite photo editing app, and then boom, you Gucci. And that's really it. Maybe I'll do a video in the future on how I edit my photos and things like that. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram or whatever so y'all can see the official pics. And again, everything was filmed with my iPhone. Use portrait mode for my photos.